If you lose, you die.
It's a real fun game. It's my favourite. You filming, boy?
Yeah.
You don't want to film this.
Awesome.
Rupert, you ready?
No!
What are you sorry for, boy?
I'm sorry for being a disappointment to the family.
Right, and what would your dad say if he was alive?
Right, I'm a disappointment.
Right then, so I'm here at the Howl at Mead Farm. Yep, by myself. So I'm going to see if I can do it. See how much more fun it is by myself. They've already got the roaming actors out. So yeah, so you get a. I've just got a normal pass, so I can do each maze once. I'm not going to be able to film in that, but yeah, do each maze once. So this is the little brother of Tony's Farm, the Howl. So yeah, I'm not going to go and do any of the mazes until it gets a bit darker. So it's 6 to 11. So give it a good old look round. There's a total of 6 mazes here, and a circus as well. Live music, lots of food and drink. Oh, that's my little lady. She's got a knife. Lovely teeth. Yeah, so one's called the Attic. So I guess that's in the door. Yeah, so during the day it's like a little kids' farm. Howl Valley High. Wow, what an experience that is. Yeah. It's indoors, so you can do it in daylight. Honestly, fantastic. All the characters are amazing, all American. It's like you're going through high school. You're going through a high school, and all the people are dead. And when you're watching the film at the beginning, they just get you straight from the beginning. There's some really great acting in there, and they jump out on you. The set design, people walking through. Each time you go into a different room, so like you go into a library, you go into the shower block and everything like that. They're all dressed for those certain areas as well. It's really good. And at one point, you get chased out by an American football player. So yeah, honestly. The acting in there, that was amazing. I went in by myself, there was no one else with me, so I managed to get all the scares. So, but I can imagine even if you're in a group, they will still get you. You can hear the screaming going on now. They've got a group of girls in there, from what it sounds like. But yeah, honestly, that's anything to go by. Wow. Yeah, what a great scare maze. Got to be one of the greatest costumes I've seen. Big old Wolfie. Hello, you right?
You right, love?
Yeah, you a fortune teller?
I am a fortune teller, but it's still a bit bright at the minute. I need to get a bit dark and the spirits will come to me.
Oh, that's good. The Attic, yeah, good strong maze, good set design. I was caught up with the group in front. These mazes aren't as big as this one at Tully's. The ones at Tully's are about 10 minutes long. These are about 8 minutes long. Yeah, it's great. Good set design. Basically, you're just walking through and there's just dead bodies, people have been beaten up or zombies, and you're walking through and you're like walking through like a massive great big attic in someone's house where people have boxes and stuff, dead bodies lying around, dolls and stuff, basically stuff you put up in the attic, and then all the actors just come jumping out at you, jumping off the beds and stuff. Yeah, really good strong acting, but yeah, I think the Howl School is better. Going to go and see what the circus is all about. Yeah, so this is like a little small circus, it's a big top with the circus here. So hopefully they're going to have some really good stuff going on. The clowns are just wandering around, freaking people out, sitting next to them, trying to scare them off.
The year was 1900. It was the last year of Victoria's reign. Jack the Ripper was still at large. This was the age of the freak show. A young girl was rudely awoken by the bark, beckoning the madding crowds onto the carnival midway. Welcome to the greatest show on earth! Freak show! Regan, weary of her rude awakening, returned to the comfort of her solitude. Sleep. Must sleep, she thought, and bring to the end the necromantic nightmare.
Yes, I've just done the circus. Wow. Yeah, so hopefully I can get some of that footage in there and it hasn't been copyrighted or anything like that. But wow, that was amazing. The girl and the boy being trapeze artists was fantastic. Saw the Swallower last year at Tully's, but yeah, honestly, that blew my mind. That was so good. I've just done Red. Yeah, it's a good maze. It's like you're walking through a forest and these witches coming up to you and they're all dressed in red. Oh, Red Riding Hood, that was it. Red Riding Hood, they're like Red Riding Hood because there's a wolf in there and the wolf comes and gets you. So yeah, it's good. You walk like through a forest and it's smoky and it's dark in there and they come up to you and they're quiet. They don't jump out at you, they're quiet. So yeah, sort of like get into your face. Yeah, it's a good little maze that. About 5 minutes long these mazes are, 5 to 8 minutes. So we're going to go and do Topless Twister now, which yes, it's clowns, so see you on the other side. Topless or the clown maze. Wow, my god. Those clowns are amazing in there. The interaction, they split the group up. I'm here by myself. Oh wow, the clowns in there are absolutely amazing. They're all different characters, they're not all the same. They split you up and it's just so disorientating. You've got the tunnel as well, like you have at Tully's, which makes you all confused. And the clown stopped us in the middle of the tunnel and it just absolutely blew my mind and made me feel really giddy. It felt like we were in there for ages. It's yeah, the interaction these clowns in there are absolutely fantastic. I love that place. It's not the greatest set design, but the actual actors in there are really good. All the actors here today have been absolutely fantastic, right in the face. So next up is going to be Squealers, which is supposed to be the scariest one here, from what I can tell. And if you're on.
Oh yeah. Hi.
All right, you're on Chasing Coasters. How are you enjoying it so far at Howl? Is it? What's your favourite thing so far, apart from this guy?
Topper, yeah, me, good.
Topper.
Yeah. If they don't say Topper, I smash their heads in.
Yeah, he's cheated them. Yeah. Sorry? Around about 180, round about that. Chasing Coasters. Yeah, thank you. Sorry?
I watched you before I went to.
Did you? Awesome, thank you, because we went with a little one. Yeah, he's a little crow, so yeah. No, I think that Squealer's Yard is amazing. What do you think of that one?
I think that's the scariest.
That is a good one. It's a long one as well, isn't it? The shed, that's my kind of maze where it's loud and they jump out at you and they come round the corner and they distract you. So you're walking through. But yeah, no, that was really good. I really enjoyed that. There's so many actors in these mazes. It's awesome. You can hear it. Listen. It's so good. Right, yeah, so I've got one more maze to go. They come running out. Getting chased out by a chainsaw. Yeah, so I've got one more maze to go. Squiddy shot. Yeah, so yeah, that was really good. They jump out on you, it's loud, it's in your face, there's smells in there, smell of petrol. It's like they just want to eat you. That's all that is. You got to come Right there, just to finish the vlog off, I just sort of run through my favourite, not least favourite, it's just not as good as the others because it is pretty amazing. So, the attic, yeah, it's a great maze, it's fantastic. If you've never done a maze, an attic maze before, yeah, it's great, it's fantastic. But I've done a few before and yeah, it's good, it's very good. And then Next is Top of Twisters. Clowns don't scare me, but that is a very good maze, and it's very disorientating. There was a clown in there, really picked on me, stopped me going through. The Shed is alongside that one. Yeah, it's very similar to other mazes done before. It's about people just wanting to eat you, basically. A very good maze. All these are absolutely fantastic. So yeah, Howl Valley High, the set design on that is fantastic, and the actors are brilliant. They're all in their certain areas. They're all dressed up for the certain areas they're in. Red, it's completely different. It's Red Riding Hood, completely different. It's not jump scares. It's people just coming up and creeping up on you. Absolutely fantastic. No noise or anything. I really enjoyed that. And of course, Squealer's Yard. Wow, what a maze! You can get lost in there, and you can for a very long time. It's one of my favourite mazes I've done so far this year. So I think I've done 18 different mazes this year, and Squealer's is up there. It's definitely in the top 5, maybe in the top 3. But a very, very, very good maze. And also the Circus of Horrors. What a fantastic! I saw it twice, and both times were completely different, and yeah, fantastic. Street theatre, fantastic. Everything here was fantastic. It took me almost 2 hours to drive here. Would I drive here 2 hours again? I guess I would, because it's been fantastic. I don't know whether you can see me, I've just got the lights behind, but honestly, the Howl, fantastic. Got 6 mazes, it's got circus, it's got street theatre, it's got a live band playing, it's got dance music playing. What a great place to come. I would come back here again. I would drive here 2 hours again to come and do this. What a fantastic park. Yeah. There you go. Mead Open Farm. The Howl Screen Park.